Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word icebox. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Put the leftovers from dinner in the icebox to keep them fresh. An icebox is a container or compartment used for storing food at low temperatures, typically using ice or refrigeration to keep items cool and fresh. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.